Hi everyone, in this video we'll be making this super cute pumpkin coaster. It's a beginner friendly tutorial and the perfect crochet project for fall. Let's start by making a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your two fingers like this and make an X shape. Hold the yarn here, then turn your hand and hold the yarn with your pinky. Go underneath the first line of yarn, grab the second one, pull under and twist. Grab this piece of yarn and pull through. This counts as your first chain and you can adjust the size of your magic ring by pulling on this thread. Here's another method to make a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your finger, go underneath the first line of yarn, grab the second one, pull under and twist. Hold this piece of yarn and then pull it through. We have our first chain. For the first round, we are going to work 12 double crochets in this ring. Here is how we make the first one. Insert one single crochet in the magic ring. As you can see, we have two loops in this single crochet, the first and the second. Go into the second one and make another single crochet. This counts as your first double crochet, and now we are going to insert 11 more double crochets in the ring. I'm going to mark this stitch at the top so we know where to slip a stitch when this round is done. So go ahead and work 11 double crochets in the magic ring. Make sure you're going over both of these yarn threads. Now that we have our 12 double crochets, we are going to close this ring, so hold on to the center and pull on this thread. And then we complete the round with doing a slip stitch in the first double crochet we made. For the next round, we are going to increase, which means we'll be making 2 double crochet in every stitch. Start with the chain and then insert one single crochet in this stitch right at the bottom of your chain. Make another single crochet in the second loop of that single crochet. This counts as your first double crochet. Work another double crochet in the same stitch, so we have 2. And then move on to the next stitch and increase, or make 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Go ahead and increase in the next 10 stitches. When you're done with the last one, so you have 24 double crochets in total, we are going to slip a stitch here. At the end of every round, we have these slip stitches from the round before. We are always going to skip them. So ignore that and go right into the first double crochet of the round and slip a stitch. For the third round, we are going to follow this pattern. Start with a chain and work one single crochet in this stitch right at the bottom of your chain. Work one single crochet in the next stitch. In the third one, we are going to work one single crochet and one half double crochet. And then we are going to repeat this pattern of 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet 3 times. So 1 double crochet in the next stitch, then 2 in the following stitch, one double crochet, In the next stitch, 2 double crochets, one double crochet, and 2 double crochet in the next one. Then we have 1 double crochet in the next stitch. In the following one, we are going to work 1 half double crochet and 1 single crochet. In the next one, 1 single crochet. Now repeat from the start, so 1 single crochet in the first, 1 single crochet in the second, in the third, 1 single crochet and 1 half double crochet, and so on. Continue this pattern until this round is finished. I have 1 single crochet left, and then we have our slip stitch here, which we're gonna ignore, and we're going to complete the round with a slip stitch in the first single crochet we made. This is how it looks so far. For the next round, start with a chain. 1 single crochet in the first stitch right here. Then we have 1 half double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. And then we are going to work 2 half double crochet in each of the next 10 stitches. When you're done with your 10th repeat, we are going to work 1 half double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. Then we are going to repeat from the start, so 1 single crochet here, and then 1 half double crochet in the next 3 stitch, and so on. When you're done, skip the slip stitch and finish the round with a slip stitch in the first single crochet you made. For the last round, we are going to follow this pattern, so skip the first stitch, which is this one over here, and work 1 single crochet in the second one. Then we have 1 half double crochet and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. One double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. Now insert 2 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. And then we have 1 double crochet in each of the next 14 stitches. When you're done with your 14 double crochets, we are going to work 2 double crochets in each of the next 2 stitches. And then we have 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. Now work 1 double crochet and 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, and then 1 single crochet in the following one. Then we have a slip stitch. Half of your pumpkin is complete. We are going to repeat this pattern from the start, and then we are going to slip a stitch right over here. Now we are going to add the tendrils. So rotate your pumpkin, and we are going to go into this slip a stitch right at the top. Grab your green yarn and pull up a loop and chain 9. When you have your 9 chains, we are going to skip the first one, so skip this, go into the second, and slip a stitch. Now go ahead and insert 2 single crochets in each of the next 6 chains. When you're done with that, you'll have 1 chain left here. So we are going to slip a stitch exactly where we started from. This is how it looks like. You can make it longer if you want. I'm going to cut the yarn and pull the tail to the back. To make the stem, go into this small space right over here and insert your hook. Pull up a loop with your brown yarn. And chain 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We are going to skip the first 2 chains, so in the third chain from your hook, insert 1 half double crochet. Then 1 half double crochet in the next chain, and 1 single crochet in the following one. And now we slip a stitch right where we started from, so over here. Your pumpkin coaster is finished. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please let me know if you have any questions or feedback in the comments. I'd love to hear them.